Hello student, I am Gautami Dhake from Indrayani English School. Today we are going to learn your last lesson, repeat command and procedure in MS Logo. Okay, MS Logo is a software. In that we are going to use how we are going to implement the repeat command. Okay, repeat means suppose I will say like computer means I am repeating a same word. Okay, so in the MS Logo one repeat command is there to avoid the repeated sentence. Now we will see these commands in detail. Just open MS Logo. Okay, last year we learned this MS Logo software. As I told, this is the turtle. Have you seen a triangle on the screen? So this is a turtle. Now I will type a command here. Okay, I will type some command here to draw the square. Okay, see here, FD 100 means this turtle move 100 points upside. Okay, then we will turn this turtle to the right side. RT 90, we turn this circle at 90 degree. Okay, see the turtle face turn to the right side. Now again FT 100, turtle move forward 100 point. Again to draw the square we turn the face of the turtle at 90 degree. Okay, again move forward 100 points. Again turn the turtle at 90 degree and move forward 100 points. Okay, so in this way we get our square here. Okay, now see here, if you will see carefully, we use this FD command 4 times. Okay, see here carefully, we use this FD command 4 times and RT command 3 times. Okay, so we can avoid this repetition. How to avoid this repetition? I will type only one command now. Okay, as I said, I will type only one command, repeat 4 times FD 100 RT 90. Okay, instead of using 4 times FD command and 3 times RT command, we use here repeat command and repeat this sentence whatever given in the bracket 4 times. Okay, now see what happened. Okay, in a one sentence this square get display on our screen. So repeat command is used to avoid the repetition of the sentence. Okay, we can, instead of typing 8 or 10 line repeatedly, if we will use the repeat command, we can avoid the repetition of sentence in many times. Same way we will see one more, repeat 4 times in bracket FD 100 RT 90 degree FD 200 means 2 side of 100 point and 2 side of 200 points. Now this is a rectangle. See this carefully. Okay, this is a rectangle means this sentence get repeated only 2 times. So let's see what happened. Okay, see here, FD 100 means turtle move 100 point upside, then turn to right side and move 200 points, then again move 100 points, and again at last it move we repeated this sentence 2 times, so here we mention repeat 2. Okay, now you understand. Now we'll see one more program. This is too interesting. Repeat. Now we are going to draw a pattern. 20. Repeat. Now we use repeat command 2 times. 360. FD 1, RT 1, LT 20. Okay, see here, this sentence get repeated 360 times and this full bracket will repeat it 20 times. Now see what happens. See, the turtle repeating the same sentence so many times, I think 300 times. Okay, and we will get the pattern. Is it interesting? Now we will see one more program here. Repeat 10 times. What to repeat? The sentence given in the bracket. Repeat 5 times. FT 50. RT 72. LT 300. Okay, now see how it looks. Okay, again we will get one more pattern here. So in this way you can use the repeat command to repeat the same sentence number of times. Now student, we will see your next point, procedure. Okay, to explain this procedure, so let us understand what is mean by this procedure. Okay, procedure means each and every task we completed with some procedure. Okay, procedure means जैसे आपकी मम्मी कुछ सब्जी बनाती है या कुछ मतलब कुकिंग करती है, या फिर कभी कभी वो आइसक्रीम बनाती है, केक बनाती है, तो केक बनाने की एक प्रोसीजर रहती है. ओके, आइसक्रीम बनाने की एक प्रोसीजर रहती है. तो आइसक्रीम बनाने की प्रोसीजर मीन्स क्या है कि वो कुछ स्टेप्स फॉलो करती है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो सब जो भी आइसक्रीम बनाने के लिए सामग्री लगती है वो कलेक्ट करेगी, फिर वो मिक्सर में मतलब मिक्स करेगी, फिर वो फ्रीजर में फ्रीज़ करने के लिए रख देगी. तो ये जो स्टेप्स है, वो जो स्टेप्स फॉलो करती है, इसको बोलते हैं प्रोसीजर. ओके, मीन्स द ऑर्डर स्टेप्स, द ऑर्डर्ड स्टेप्स. ऑर्डर्ड स्टेप्स मीन्स वो स्टेप्स का ऑर्डर रहता है. ओके, जैसे हम आइसक्रीम बनाते हैं तो पहले सामग्री कलेक्ट करना, फिर उसको मिक्सर में मिक्स करना, तो उसका एक स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर रहता है कि इसके बाद यही होना चाहिए, इसके बाद यही होना चाहिए. उसको बोलते हैं ऑर्डर स्टेप. 1 2 3 4 लाइक दिस ऑफ कैरिंग a task, carrying out a task from the beginning to the end, from the beginning to the end. Okay, means शुरुआत से उसका एंड होने तक जो भी स्टेप्स फॉलो किए जाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं प्रोसीजर. जैसे आप कुछ प्रोजेक्ट करते हो तो आप क्या करते हो, एक चार्ट पेपर लेते हो, फिर उस पे आप पेन से लिखते हो, फिर कुछ कलर पेंसिल से उसको कलरफुल बनाते हो, कुछ स्टिकर चिपकाते हो। तो ये जो स्टेप्स आप फॉलो करते हैं स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक, उसको बोलते हैं प्रोसीजर। नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मीन बाय प्रोसीजर। तो एमएस लोगों में भी ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो किए जाते हैं, तो रिपीटेशन अवॉइड करने के लिए। नाउ वी विल सी एमएस लोगों में ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने के लिए दिस प्रोसीजर हैज़ 3 पार्ट्स: टाइटल, then body and end। ओके हर एक प्रोसीजर का एक टाइटल रहता है, उसका पूरे स्टेप्स मतलब बॉडी रहती है और एंड रहता है। जैसे आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो तो उस प्रोजेक्ट का कुछ तो टाइटल रहेगा, ओके। फिर बॉडी मीन्स आप चार्ट पेपर पे जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो वो पूरा प्रोजेक्ट, और एंड मीन्स जो प्रोजेक्ट आप मैम को सबमिट करते हो, आपके टीचर को सबमिट करते हो, वो हो गया उसका एंड। सो ईच एंड एवरी प्रोसेस विल गो थ्रू दिस 3 steps: title, body and end। Okay, each and every steps has some title, it has some body part, and it has a specific end. Now we will see how to follow this procedure in MS Logo, or how to do this procedure in MS Logo. Just open the Logo. Logo is a software, huh? So here you type, suppose I want to create a procedure to draw a circle. So type here circle, sorry, to circle. Okay, this is a title. To circle is the title. Okay, now in this input I will type repeat 360 FD 1 RT 1. You can zoom the screen if you will not see it clearly. Okay, and as I said, each procedure has some end part, so type here end. Okay, click on OK. Now see the procedure defined, whose name is circle. Now how to use this procedure? Just type here circle. Now see the magic. When I press enter on the screen, automatically a circle you can see on the screen. Now you understand what is mean by procedure. Now see how to save this procedure. Just click on file, click on save as option. Okay, now here you type the file name. I will type the file name circle and click on save. Your procedure gets saved. Okay, and if you want to edit that procedure, you can use the edit option, which is present in file tab. Okay, just click on edit. Here automatically circle will come. Click on the circle, click on OK. You can edit that procedure. See here, if you want to make the changes, you can make changes from here. Edit means you can make changes in that procedure. Then we will see load. No, I don't want to edit. So this load option is present in file tab. Load means if you want to load the procedure in your memory, then you can use this load option. Actually it is already loaded, so it will not show you anything, or you can open and load that option. Okay, now you understand. Now we will see one more procedure, so you will understand. we will create one more procedure, that is pentagon. Okay, this is the title of the procedure to pentagon. Now press enter, and in the body section you type repeat 10 times, as we did this early. Repeat 5, FD 50, RT 72, LT 300. Okay, now just click on OK and press end. End means end part of the procedure. Okay, procedure defined. Now run this procedure by giving the name of procedure. Type here pentagon, press enter. Okay, you can see the pentagon on the screen. Now you understand the procedure. So procedure has 3 parts. Title, to pentagon is a title, and then whatever we type in input section, that is a body, and at last we type end, means that is the end part of the procedure. And how we run this procedure, we just type pentagon here. So many pentagon we can see on the screen. Hope you will understand this concept.